Hello Stellars! Welcome back to Tarot Tele PH. My name is Joyce. Sa mga bago sa akin channel, welcome sa inyong lahat. Today, we're going to have a reading sa ating mga Scorpio friends. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. For those of you na currently no communication, no contact sa inyong person, this is your reading. By the way, part 1 lang po ito. So, mag-antay po kayo ng part 2 for this reading. No contact, separation, no communication. Okay, so, keep in mind na general reading lamang po ito at hindi lahat makapag-resonate sa reading natin for today. But if you need a personal reading, you can check out my Facebook page, Instagram, or email me. My email address on my social media is on the description box. Okay, so let's see. Scorpio, second chance, reconciliation, broken, pride, family. Okay, so, for those of you, separated kayo nitong person na to, hindi pa kayo talaga totally, like, anal. Parang mahirap yata sa Pilipinas ngayon, no? Yung mag-anal. Kasi magastos at matagal. But, there will be a reconciliation dito. Although, merong isang person dito na medyo, ano talaga siya, ma-pride, no? Patigas ang ulo. Pero siguro, yung second chance na mararanasan nyo, may experience yung dalawa is, it has something to do with a child o yung pagbubuntis ng asawa nyo. Parang ganon. If you're not married, no, you're maybe living together, pero meron kayong anak, magkakaroon kayo ng second chance nitong person na to. It's very clear. Someone is really heartbroken sa pangyayari. But let's see kung ano yung nag-cause nito. Bakit kayo nagkaroon ng separation, no contact nitong person na to. Let's see what are the messages or any factors kung bakit kayo no contact ni person. We have distant. Okay, physically distant kayo nitong person na to. Cut both ways. Okay. So, yung pag-distant nitong person na to is for something good. Siguro, nag-abroad itong person na to. Oo. It's a mixed blessing kasi. Good and bad aspects. So, kaya sila physically distant sa inyo kasi siguro nag-abroad sila or nagtrabaho sa ibang bansa or another city, ganyan. Nasa province kayo tapos nandito sila sa Metro Manila. We have bottled up. Ayan. So, parang may na-fed up dito eh. Yung paulit-ulit na lang yung pag-aaway, pero hindi niya sinasabi yung, hindi niya na-express yung anger niya, yung inis niya, nandun pa din. So, hanggang sa naging bomba na siya, parang na siya naging vulkan, no? Sumabog na yung kanyang emotion dito kasi parang nagtitimpi na lang siya na nagtitimpi. Okay, we have roving eyes, keeping possibilities open. So, meron ditong flirt. Kaya nagkaroon. Ito yung causes kung bakit nagkaroon kayo ng separation or no contact nitong person na to. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign. If this is your reading, then let's continue. Kung hindi naman po ito ang reading nyo, might as well mag-check na lang kayo ng other Scorpio readings sa aking playlist, no? Kung hindi ito ang reading nyo. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Spirit, please give us the message for Scorpio. We have a Knight of Wands. A very flirtatious energy. May flirtatious energy dito. Marahil nagkaroon ng third party. Yes. So, si Queen of Wands, medyo in-hit itong person na to. Yung Divine Feminine is very in-hit. Pumatol sa someone flirtatious. Kung meron kayong access dito sa someone na flirtatious na ito, kinagat ito ni Queen of Wands. Parang kinagat niya yung chance na, merong interesado kahit may anak na ako, kahit live-in situation or kahit may asawa na ako. Parang ganon. Kinagat siya ni Queen of Wands. The Hermit. Okay, so someone isolated themselves or hindi nakipag-usap itong the Hermit energy. Siguro nag-iisip siya ng malalim kung anong dapat gawin sa situation na to. Kasi si Queen of Wands is targeting the Knight of Wands. We have the Six of Wands. Are trying to reconcile dito. Ang daming Wands dito, ang daming airs, ang daming fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius energy. So, binuksan ko lang po yung ilaw ng aking stand, no? Ng aking cellphone stand. Yeah, parang gusto niya makipag-reconcile. Nag-iisip lang siya ng malalim kung ano yung paraan para manumbalik yung inyong relationship. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko dito. This is a very mature person, yung the Hermit. Parang alam niya na merong nangyayari pero nananahimik lang siya. Ganun kasing Hermit energy. Na nananahimik ka lang, nag-iisip ka ng malalim bago ka mag-action. Okay, what else? Universe, please give us the message. We have the Devil. Ayan. Nandito yung temptation, guys. Temptation ng Devil. Very controlled ang kanyang hindi pala controlled. Very uncontrolled yung kanyang energy towards the passion, no? Doon lang siya sa sensual energy nag-stay. Natapat pa siya sa Knight of Wands. Okay? We have the Seven of Cups. Ito yun. Roving eyes. No? The Seven of Cups. Parang open siya sa possibility na may makakamit sa kanya. May mamimit siyang flirt. Alam mo yun? Yung kakagatin niya. Yun. Natapat siya sa Queen of Wands, guys. Which is roving eyes. No? Maraming option. Selection. Ganon. Maraming collection. Yan. Maraming option at collection and selection. Dami kong sinabi, guys. Ano ba yan? Anong nangyayari sa inyo, Scorpio? Pero this is a third-party situation, by the way. It's very clear. We have the Ace of Wands. Oh. Wands again. Ace of Wands is a phallic symbol in Tarot. So, sobrang grabe ang sensuality nitong connection na to. Pero definitely, this is a third-party situation. Ang reading na ito. We have the Nine of Wands. This is anxiety. Yung isa, sobrang bothered siya sa nangyayari. Pero, wala siyang magawa dito, Nine of Swords. Wala siyang action na ginawa dito. Wala eh. Walang hermit energy pa rin siya. Nananahimik lang siya, pero his or she is hoping for reconciliation. Actually, magre-reconcile kayo ng totoong person mo, hindi yung flirt energy or third party. Magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation. Maybe civil lang yung mangyayari sa inyong dalawa. Let's see. Let's see about channeled messages, and then later on, magkakaroon tayo ng advice from the universe. I don't know where to start. Okay. Kasi confused itong energy na to. Bothered siya. Hindi niya rin alam kung paano mag-start over again. Pero gusto niya, pero magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation. Definitely. This love is crazy. Okay. Maybe ito yung third party situation. Is it over? Yeah, hindi niya actually alam eh. May tao dito na hindi alam. May party dito na hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Kung mag-stay ba siya or talagang over na. Kasi may third party situation na nangyari dito. Okay, let's see what else. You've triggered me. Ayan, nag-trigger yung trust issue eh. No? May trust issue talaga siya. Kaya very isolated itong person na to. What else do we have for you, Scorpio? Spirit guides, please give us the message for Scorpio. Channeled message again. We have, I cannot be vulnerable with you. I rather hide my darkness before I let you see inside me. Walang magsasabi dito ng pagkakamali. Walang mag-aamin, pero magkakaroon ka ng reconciliation kahit walang umamin ng pagkakamali. I am not sure I can meet your expectations. The pressure is too much for me. Yan. So, pressured in person na to. Kung sino man siya. May pressure dito. Kasi, pataas yung expectation niya na magiging okay ang lahat. Okay, I feel empty and hollow inside. I can't open up right now. Yan. So, ito yun yung hermit energy. Yan. So, si hermit, hindi talaga siya makapagsalita ngayon. Hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Okay, we have, I am seeing someone. Oh, yan. Umamin. But I am not ready for you to know about them yet. Actually, alam nyo, kung hindi man alam ng tao kung ano nangyayari, kasi may long distance relationship kayo, saan ba yung long distance? Yan, distant. So, far away, physically and emotionally. So, kahit hindi niya alam kung ano nangyayari, or hindi niya na-witness kung ano yung naganap, nararamdaman niya yon. Kung ano talaga yung nangyayari. Behind the scenes, no? The truth will always come to light. Okay. Be authentic, be real, and true to who you are and how you feel. So, ito yung kailangan mo. Magpakatotoo. Kakainin ka kasi ng pagsisinungaling mo. Kung meron kang, alam mo yon, may iba ka talagang mahal, or iba yung focus ng attention mo. We have love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. So, sa totoo lang, kung ano man yung past hurt mo, it actually a ripple effect kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon sa relationship mo, no? Siguro hindi mo pa na-dealt yung or na-heal yung past relationship. Like a long time ago, kahit high school pa yan or what, hindi ka na-heal doon, tapos bigla ka na lang nag-jump into a relationship. Automatically, may karmic ties, no, ang nangyayari. Kaya, it's a ripple effect. Kung ano yung nangyayari in the past is actually relates to the future, the current energies that you're having. It's really karmic relationship. I am seeing it as karmic relationships sa totoo lang, no? So, this is your reading, Scorpio. This is just a part 1 sa mga no contact and separated or no communication sa kanilang person. But if you need a personal reading, guys, you can check out my Facebook page, Instagram, or email me. You can also visit my website para makita nyo yung price list ko and how you're going to get your personal reading. And if you're outside the Philippines naman, guys, you can check out the Etsy store ko. You can purchase the reading na relevant sa inyo. Okay, any spread that's available there. This is your reading. I'll see you next time. Love and light. Namaste.